Hi guys, Ben with Cooper and Bimmer Experts here. Today I'm going to show you a quick tech tip on how to diagnose a misfire super quick. Especially on these motors, a quick easy way to do it is just to pull the coils out and swap them over. Clear the fault, start the car, see if the fault swaps. As in, does it go from 4 to 2 or 2 to 4, depending on where the fault is, of course. If that doesn't work, then pull the spark plugs out, do the same thing. If you still have that on these N14 Cooper S motors that were made from 2007 to 2010, the next step, do a compression check. I'll show you why over here. What happened on this particular car, we swapped the coils, swapped the spark plugs, did a compression check. Here we go on cylinder number 2, had 0 compression because the exhaust valve was burnt. And a lot of times when you pull the spark plug out, you'll see it'll be all nasty because it's not getting compression. That's it. That's our tech tip for today. Thanks for watching.
As always, check out our other videos, and if you have any questions about Mini Coopers or BMWs, ask in the comments below.